let's try this again. Got the camera on the head mount at the moment. I'm going to stick it on my head when there's less people around. Just hit it with it. Maybe that can rattle around. Oh, you may notice as well, actually. I'll tell you now before you spot it. Is when I brake, my fog light comes up. That is because it is not doing very well at the moment. Because when I change my rear lights, I mess with the earth, and then the earth now doesn't. As you might be able to tell, when I brake, I get a nice little. It's almost like a brake light on the inside. So I need to sort that out. But James is going to help me, so that's alright. Chilly heat wave, antibacterial wipes, and some ham. What more to do what? That's what it's like going down tomorrow. Almost hit on 120,000 miles as well, nearly. We are 91 miles away from the big 120. I always turn my traction control off, I don't know why, it just makes me feel like I'm more middle of the roundabout, loving it. Goes from a 30 up to 60. Trying to practice some left foot braking, but it is so weird. Why does it feel so soft with the left hand side? But I've also been trialing a little bit of heel in toe. See how that goes. I want to go up towards my favourite little patch again, where you wiggle around a bit. Does get a bit tight again. That's fourth, not second. If you haven't owned or haven't ever owned a little Clio, I don't think I can quite explain to you how it feels. Obviously I know people have those bigger and better cars, but I don't know, it's just so much fun. Shooting around little lanes in a crappy little French car, it's just, I don't know. Until you meet a Range Rover. This is my favourite little B road. This close to me anyway. Heaven's Gate. Everybody goes mountain biking and malarkey. Cedar Park's back entrance. Drop again, more tooth and spin.
So this is maybe going to be a little midweek video rather than add it onto the induction kit. I do a little bit of induction kit, but not loads and loads. What are you doing? Walking your dogs, fair enough. I love this, sharp left, up over the crest, don't know what's going down. This is my 0 to 60 straight. But keen on getting a mountain bike to come up into the woods and do some mountain biking, but haven't done it in ages, and every single time I go I seem to fall off, so doing jumps, that is, not just general riding. I'm not a complete flint. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm just heading back into Warminster. That was once again just another kind of a POV kind of drive, similar route to what I did before, but one, I fancy coming out on a drive, and two, I thought you guys might want to watch it a little bit, but I'll chop out some of the boring bits, unlike this bit here where we're going to go for it. Wow. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Come September this year, I've got something quite exciting happening, which I'm really excited about, and it's going to bring me loads of content, so I hope you guys are excited for that as well. But that is going to be happening sort of, I think it's about the 9th of September it's going to happen, but whenever in September am I going to sort it out and get it going, I don't know, but that's what's happening in September, so I'm really excited for that. It's going to bring loads of content to the channel, and hopefully some sort of funky videos and stuff like that, so I'm really excited about that, and I cannot wait to get that done. But yeah, I'm going to leave you on that note, because I'm heading back into Warminster now, and I don't want you weirdos to know where I live, so thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.